Let's go through equal to 2,419 longest subarray with maximal bitwise. And for this question, it gives us an integer nums. And we trying to see the longest, find the longest, the length of the longest subarray which has the bitwise equals the maximal bitwise value. So we know in order if a number it end with some other number, right? That means those kind of number because 1 0 will go to 0, right? Only 1 goes to 1. So that means it will be smaller than the small equal to any of either of these two numbers, right? So the maximal beta rate subarray is, for example, the maximal value, right? So if there are consecutive max value, what we want is we want to find the longest length. For example, if we have 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, right? 4 is the maximum value. Then there are this 4, 4 here, right? And the longest will be 3. So we trying to the step find the max and find the longest max consecutive subarray. So let's write code for this. So what we do is that first we need a max. This value is in the range greater to 1, right? So let's do this for every num in nums. Max equals max num, right? Then we want to find the consecutive longest consecutive subarray which equals to max, right? So we have result equals to 0, and we can have a count equals to 0, right? So what we do is that we need to have for each num in nums. If num equals max, our count should increase by 1, else count equals to 0. And we should have result equals max dot max count result and return result. It's a time ON time complexity, and the Python code should be very similar. That is max value, max number goes to 0 for, and that equals max nums. And what we do is the result and count goes to 0, 0, right? For num in nums, what we do is that if num equals max number, then we'll have count should plus equal to 1, else count equals to 0. And we're going to have result equals to max result and the count. In the end, we just return result.